One of the most user-friendly tools we have is this fairly new Windows Admin Center. This consolidates multiple administrative tools into a single console that you access through your browser. So you could use, well, probably Microsoft Edge, could be Internet Explorer, but you use a web browser of your choice. It could even be Google Chrome, does not have to be a Microsoft browser. But you go through a web browser and you can manage all of your servers, machines you have through the web browser by using this Windows Admin Center. The modules that make up the Admin Center will be Server Manager. This has all the components you would use to manage your servers. We also have failover clusters. So if you have file server clusters or database clusters or anything like that, it has the components you need to completely manage your failover cluster settings. You can also manage Hyper-V servers. These would be virtualized clusters, these hyper-converged clusters. And the newest setting is the ability to manage Windows 10 clients from here. Now, an easy way to think of this is this gives you no capability you did not have before. But before, if you wanted to use Server Manager, you had to go to one tool. You had to go to the failover tool if you wanted to manage failovers. You had to go to Hyper-V. You had to go to the Windows 10 machines if you want to manage those respective components. So this just consolidates all of that into a single graphical tool, and you can just click from one to the other, and you have full administrative capability over all these resources in your environment. So a very neat tool.